So I flew in yesterday, and it was a pretty long day of travel. We had a cold front move through, and I ended up stuck in Atlanta for over 5 hours. Flights were canceled and delayed and put back, but now we're here, and I'm really looking forward to this. Hello mountain riders, we are here in Phoenix, Arizona this morning. It is a beautiful, breezy, warm day, and in about 15 minutes or so we are getting ready to head on the road south to Bisbee, Arizona, and get this first day of the Arizona Motorcycle Adventures celebration event started. So I'm going to be riding a bike I'm familiar with, this BMW R1250 HP 2020 model, and I previously rode this in Colorado. It's a great bike, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And here we go. Everybody getting sorted here, heading on out of Phoenix. Boy, it's warm already, 78 degrees, and it's gonna feel good to get moving. Not used to this heat. It's taking a little while to get through the urban sprawl south of Phoenix and going through Tempe and all the other little burgs along the way, and we're finally down near Sun City, and we're veering off and getting out into the desert and away from all the traffic. This is much better, looks much more relaxing. And we're just outside of Coolidge, and we are in the middle of the desert for sure. It is hot and it's windy. I think we're gonna get on some smaller roads in a little bit. All right, back out on the road again. It's a pretty good group of riders so far. Everybody's fairly experienced. A lot of these guys have traveled fairly widely, done a lot of the big off-road routes out here in the west and a few in the east. It's going to be interesting. We're meeting a bunch more down when we get down to Bisbee. There's going to be a total of 20 riders on this trip by the end of it. I think I'm going to meet some interesting people. So the wind is really starting to kick up some dust and haze. It's blowing pretty good. I don't know, 20, 30 miles an hour at times. Pretty good gusts. And looking pretty almost foggy out here now. So good lunch stop, had some lobster enchiladas just outside of Tucson, and ready to get rolling again. Boy, that sun is hot. I don't want to move. So we are about 80 miles or so north of Bisbee. We are on Arizona Highway 82, and this is our first, really starting to get up into the mountains a little bit. Kind of a nice change of pace. Got a little elevation now, temperature's down to 87, and starting to get a little curve to the road here now and then. That's good. We should be getting in around 4 p.m. or so. So it's been a nice little day ride for a group. Solo, you could make it a go a lot quicker without the stops and stuff, but all in all, I'm digging being in the desert. So we're now passing through Tombstone. There's the gunfight site, probably one of many. Interesting place. That looks like about it. Bisbee, 8 miles. So we're starting to wind up into the mountains where the town is located now. So we're climbing up a little pass just before coming into town. And we're up at about 5,900 feet or so now. Things are nice and green. There's lots of this mesquite trees and scrub oaks and stuff. It's a very pleasant place right now. I like it. Ah, there's a town down there. Cool. So we're coming into town, looking around to the south side. Wow. Old mining train and mining equipment. The Spirit Restaurant. This is pretty cool. Shouldn't be far now. Jonquil Motel. There we have it.